Here's how to sync the timecode of different devices in just 60 seconds. At the moment, these 3 devices run on different timecodes. Let's fix it. Take 3 NanoLockits and start each one by pressing and holding the power button. The LED will flash green-red, which means the LEMO timecode output is still muted. Press and hold the green button of one NanoLockit until the LED double blinks green. This sets the timecode and frame rate, wirelessly syncs the other NanoLockits, and activates all LEMO outputs. There you have it. Now connect the NanoLockits to the devices via the appropriate cables. And you're all set and in sync. NanoLockit, the small, wireless, easy-to-use timecode generator by Ambient.